Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I want to show you a little powerhouse for your washing machine. So this is the TAED washing machine cleaner with OxyClean, and this stuff is awesome. So if you have trouble with your clothes kind of a little bit stinky after you've already washed them, then you may need to clean your washing machine. And I didn't realize this was something you need to do, but you know, in retrospect, it makes sense. But I was having an issue with my clothes coming out of the washer, a little bit funny smelling, and so I was doing some research and it turns out this is actually a great thing to do maintenance wise at least once a month, and I had never done it before. So this helps to clean your washing machine, it helps to remove residue and just fight any odor causing buildup and bacteria and things that are there and that could be causing your clothes to not smell their very best. So this is awesome. It's very simple to use. You just sprinkle the contents of the packet into your washing machine, and you want to use a normal cycle with the hottest water you have possible, and that is it. You just let it run, and let me tell you, it really works. This took care of the odor problem in my washing machine, and I am going to continue to use this as directed every month to prevent problems in the future. So definitely a great thing to do to take care of your washing machine, because your washing machine takes care of you. That's my point of view.